So, hello and welcome everybody back to my educational videos. We have a new event and I'm back because I have some fans in Finland that wanted me to make a video and well, let's see if I can make this video for Jarmo and Osmondi, or what was his name, something like that. We have a new event, of course, because I'm here. I don't do videos about old events. And apparently 30k is something to go for. We can see here. And again we have a team from Italy. They are from the city of Valencia in Italy. And looks to be a good... don't know. Wrong touch. Well, I don't know what to do in this game. I have not seen any YouTube videos because I don't subscribe anymore. But... So, first things first, a little Pepsi Max for Saturday evening. Tomorrow is Father's Day, so I can have Pepsi Max today, not tomorrow. Yeah, let's see what we can do. So we are gonna follow Nikam. He's some newbie from I don't know where. Let's see. So Nikam uses jumpy dumpy thing. This one. Yeah. So we are in the moon. Don't know what to do. This will be funny. I don't think we need that one. Let's put that one in. Oh yeah, you could have a fourth part because of the master shit. Master shit is really shit. That is something that should not happen. Yeah. Oh shit. Okay, I should have hit the fuel and then jump. Okay, I will know next time. Well, about the master, it's yeah, it's just wrong. Just trying to make people drive. Oh, apparently we're going with the bus. Stay on the ground. With the bus? Oh shit. Well, I think I need some different parts. Well, we don't have the weight. Maybe that one. Oh, we need FUVE, I think, because we're gonna go fast in the end. Maybe magnet. Yeah, let's try this one. So stay on the ground with the bus. So you want to keep the bus on the ground. So you don't want... Oh! I'm still on the green, so... Maybe I should have put a wheelie to get over these bumps, because I didn't know this was the track. This is the fun of finding out surprises. Yeah, I don't think I will get the meter high. That shit. Just when I said it. I think I will run out of fuel before I get to the finish. Yeah, I have plenty of... Yeah. Well, I got mastery points. 14! Yes! Oh yeah, I love it. Oh shit, that was so good. Time attack. This is some fucking... Oh, sorry. This is some fucking uphill. Oh, with the Lambo. Oh, so fuck. I just take that and then we get the vehicle. Maybe start. We have wings. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, you need to. Oh, not there. Tada has, yeah, spikes and then okay. Yeah. So let's change it to. Did he have wings? Yeah. Did he have spikes? Like that. And then we will look. Cargo with this one. Very simple. Just go fast. Oh. Long track, short track. Don't know. Let's go with this one. Yeah, that's, if you have nitro, use it. I have nitro, I didn't use it. Oh, they have thrusters. Motherfuckers. Yeah, that was. So I got 20,000k or something. What did I get? 7,000. I need a little Pepsi Max. Oh, yeah, fuck. Oh, fuck this shit. Oh. I didn't remember playing this game. It was so hard. Okay, time attack. Oh, I didn't finish this track, so that's why I didn't get 30,000k. Was I supposed to change some parts? I don't remember. No. Okay. Maybe next time. Let's skip this one because it was long. Let's try this one. Let's see where I can be. Oh, I didn't know the settings. Maybe there was. Maybe I have the wrong downforce or air brake. Really don't know. Let's see. Yeah, maybe the air brake is supposed to be low because I was very. Okay, so that one goes. What did they have? Wings and that one. So we fly over the obstacles. Yeah, you're supposed to fly, you dumbass. Yeah, well, I will get to the finish, but I have no cans. Okay, last try. Let's get this one to the goal. The goal is to get to the finish. Oof. Yeah, if I would have nitrous, I would fly like Nikon, but I don't. Now let's take this carefully. Yeah, I used the springs there, but it was on purpose. Ah, very simple. Did I say I should put the wheelie? Yeah, let's put the wheelie instead of the magnet. Yeah. And just go with the flow. Very simple. Now I have already very much of the meter there. Ooh, the previous was better. Why do I have to use the bus here? I would go fast there, but shit. It's like driving a school bus full of children. Oh, new record, 1 meter. Oh shit. This one was pretty good, I think, last time. Yeah, I need more air brake. Yeah, so 0 is not good. And 20 was not good, so I have to go with something in the middle. Oh, I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I just take more Pepsi Max? Yeah, I don't know. Let's see. Okay, this will be good. I will make it. Yeah. Yeah. I forgot I had the thrusters, so I was not paying attention. Oh, let's use a special ticket. Oh, no. Yeah, now I should have the wheelie. Great. Well, it's green and I'm not last anymore, so I will take that. I'm behind Kyrvän Syylä, so I will take this as an opportunity to learn something new. Well, that's it for me today. If I get more than 20 likes on this video, I will make a new video next week. So, share and care.